Okay, so like we always do on these deep dives, we're going to take one very specific topic and try and really understand the nuances.
Yeah, and today we're talking artificial intelligence.
Right, AI.
Yeah.
But like we're trying to get past the hype, all that noise.
Mm-hmm.
We want to understand how AI is going to change things.
Realistically change things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
By 2025. So in just a couple of years.
Right. And to do that, we're going to look at the third Board of Changemakers AI discussion from the 8th Future Investment Initiative Conference, the FEI conference.
Gotcha. And just so everyone knows, this isn't like some small gathering of techies
Right.
talking about their favorite robot vacuum.
No.
These are the leaders of like TikTok, Sandbox AQ, Andreessen Horowitz,
Alphabet,
NVIDIA,
Google.
Yeah, Google. So like seriously important people.
Yeah, the Future Investment Initiative put together this group of industry leaders to be the third Board of Changemakers.
Okay.
And this group is specifically tasked with guiding the responsible development of AI.
So we should probably pay attention to what they have to say.
Exactly.
Okay, so the FII discussions focused on how AI is going to impact three main areas. Business, health, and technology. Where should we start?
Well, I think the business stuff is really interesting.
Okay.
One of the most compelling insights from the discussion was the prediction that AI-driven customer service chatbots could be handling 85% of customer interactions by 2025.
Whoa, 85%.
Yeah.
So basically almost all of them.
Pretty much.
I mean, I can definitely see the appeal from the business side.
Yeah.
They're going to save a ton of money.
Absolutely. But it's not just about cutting costs.
Right.
The experts at FII also highlighted how AI can actually create a better customer experience.
Really?
So imagine you're shopping on your favorite website, and before you even type anything in the search bar, the site already knows what you want based on your past behavior, your preferences.
Okay. Yeah, that would be amazing.
And it suggests products you might like or offers helpful advice.
Right. It's like having a personal shopper, but, it's a bot.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's business.
Yeah.
What about healthcare?
Healthcare is another area where AI has the potential to be totally transformative.
Okay.
The panel predicted a huge shift towards AI-powered diagnostics by 2025.
So using AI to diagnose diseases.
Exactly. And they believe this could drastically reduce healthcare costs.
Which would be incredible because so many people struggle to afford healthcare right now.
Exactly. And it's not just about costs either.
Okay.
Earlier and more accurate diagnosis could really improve health outcomes for a lot of people.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Think about it like, if you can catch a disease in its early stages, you're much more likely to be able to treat it effectively.
Right. Early detection is key for so many things.
Right.
Okay, so we've got AI changing how businesses interact with customers and AI revolutionizing the way we diagnose diseases. What about this technology part of the discussion?
Well, one of the things that really struck me was that the panel didn't shy away from the potential risks of AI.
Okay.
They weren't just blindly optimistic. They acknowledged that there are serious ethical considerations.
And they actually proposed some concrete steps to address those considerations.
Like what?
Well, for example, the CEO of Sandbox AQ proposed creating an international AI ethics council.
Whoa, so like a global governing body for AI.
Exactly. And this council would be responsible for developing ethical guidelines for AI development.
So making sure that AI is used for good and not for, evil robot overlords.
Yeah, pretty much.
I like it. It seems like a very practical and important step to take.
Yeah, and it really underscores the fact that this isn't just about the technology itself. It's about how we use it.
Okay, so it sounds like 2025 is going to be a really pivotal year for AI. But what about beyond that? What happens after all these changes take root?
Yeah, that's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah.
The FII discussions were really focused on the near future.
Right.
But the long-term implications of AI are still very much unknown.
So it's like we're standing at the edge of this uncharted territory.
Exactly. We have a roadmap for the next few years, but beyond that, it's anyone's guess. Which I guess is kind of exciting and kind of terrifying all at the same time.
Yeah, definitely.
So, to our listeners out there, what do you think? How do you envision the AI landscape evolving beyond 2025? And what implications could this have for your life, your work, your world?
It's definitely something to think about because AI is going to impact us all in one way or another.
Absolutely. All right. Well, thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
You got it.
And we'll see you next time.